a class of students plays a tic-tac-toe competition among themselves. Every student in the class is to play every other student twice. However, Stefan left the class after he had played only 7 games. All other games not involving Stefan were played. By the end of the competition, a total of 513 games had been played. Determine the number of students that were originally in the class. So let n be a number of students not involving Stefan. And let's consider what is this 513. It's 7 played by Stefan plus the total number of games played by all other students. And for each game we need choose 2 students, and the order doesn't matter here. It doesn't matter what student is number 1, what student is number 2. So it's a number of combinations, not permutations. And is to play every other student twice, so it becomes 2 times. And for each game, it's we need to choose 2 students out of n, because we consider all other students without Stefan. And the total is 513. And let's use a formula for the number of combinations, and it becomes greater number factorial, the smaller factorial, and the greater minus the smaller factorial, and is 513. 2 factorial is just 2, 2 cancels, and n minus 2, it's the product from 1 up to n minus 2, and n factorial, it's a product from 1 up to n, and it looks like 1 times 2 times so on up to n minus 2 or n minus 3, n minus 2, n minus 1, and up to n. And n minus 2 factorial, it's 1 times 2 times 3 up to n minus 2, and we can cancel, and it remains n minus 1 times n in the numerator. It's like 10 factorial divided by 8 factorial. It's just 9 times 10, but it's in terms of n. Hence it becomes 7, or let's to the right, so it becomes n times n minus 1 is 506, or minus 506 is 0. And it becomes n squared minus n minus 506, and we can see that it becomes quadratic equation. And I want to apply sum and product rule. Sum is minus b over a, it's 1. Product is c over a, so minus 506, and it's negative 22 and 23. Sum is 1 and product is 506. So n, and definitely n is positive, so n is 23. Hence, we need the number of students that were originally in the class, so the number of students that were originally in the class. It's n plus 1. It's 23 plus Stefan, because n it's a number of students not involving Stefan. Is 24. So the answer is 24, and that's all for this question.